Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So this is very urgent update for Stellar holder, because this time you can see all crypto markets very badly fails down. So also Stellar XLM is one of them, my friend. They fails down very pulse. You can see very badly fails down, minus 6.07%. They fails down. So definitely, word of prediction is very important this time to upcoming days. They moving up or they fails down more. So let's get started this video. But my friend, I request you to please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel, because if you click on the subscribe button, then this channel guide you every time, update you every time, every good news or bad news. So please like and subscribe this channel. This time, my friend, you can see here the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and they completely moving off. My friend, I cannot expect this today moving they starting moving off, and those days especially. But you can see here definitely they take a very good jump, my friend. So therefore, I'm very excited to see this. You can see here this time after at the start of this month, the first day is going this straightly. You can see here the first May. You can see here they go in the straightly. They cannot take a good jump, not a bad fall, my friend. So you can see here they are in the resistance line continuously. They cannot cross the resistance line to take a big jump, my friend. After you can see here after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. Every cryptocurrency is moving at this time, my friends, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. You can see here. So after this jump they fails down, and after this fails they also starting moving up. You can see here definitely they take a very high jump after this fell. So they jump start now, my friend, and this is very good news from all of you. But I cannot expect you, my friends, this today take a jump, and those especially definitely, my friend, because the first week of every month, my friend, all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down, and you already see the crypto market change occurs. So all is a negative. So therefore, I cannot expect that to XLM starting moving up, but you already see the XLM starting moving now, and plus 0.74% they change occur and positive. So I'm very happy. I'm very excited, and good news from all holder to they starting moving up. And absolutely, my friend, my prediction is that to upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket, and we are go in the moon. Definitely, you can see here, my friend, I tell you, to upcoming days they're moving up, and this time you can see here the current time they also moving off like a rocket. So the change occur is a plus 0.29%, and absolutely, my friend, the target is $1. I hope they hit it, and 2025 possible to they hit $10. What you say? Can they hit it? I hope they hit it. So please don't be greedy. Okay, please hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, XLM holder. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos.